In this video, I will show you how to create a timeline chart in Microsoft Excel. So firstly guys, you need this sample data. Pause the video and create this sample data and make changes as your requirement. Then copy, create and make your sample data as so I will create as start. So firstly, click anywhere, select this time, press and hold control. So highlight units of time and height or direction of lines. Then insert chart and select this column chart. Now adjust the size. Now click on this plus icon. Data label. So expand and more options. Select here value from cells. Now select this milestone column and click on OK. Unselect this value. And select again. Click anyway. Now here you can make some more changes and remove this grid line. So select any grid line and press delete. You can adjust the size. Now here you want to remove this bar. So select any bar. Then click on this format. The shape fill. Select no fill. And click anywhere. Now again click on this plus icon. Now here error bars. Select it and more options. Select here minus or percentage. So make 100 and click anywhere. Now exit. You can change chart title. And you can make more stylish. If you want to remove this numbers line, select it and press delete. To make more stylish, you can change in this border. You want to remove this value, just you want to show the timeline. So select them and unselect value. Click anyway. So this way you can create in this timeline and you can make more stylish. You can change color and everything. Just select them and here is the option to format this all. So thanks for watching. This is the timeline you can create in Excel.